What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another amazing episode. You already know what time it is. We have today here an Audi A3. The current issue with the car ni iko na Misfire. Inafaa kuwa iko na play hapa kwa hii RPM monitor. Inafaa kuwa ikiplay but it's not playing. But what really makes us say iko na miss, you can hear the engine. You can even see the engine inatingika. So that means that it has a Misfire. So I'm going to be checking on the ignition coils and spark plugs kama ziko sawa. And if they are not going to be okay, we're going to replace them and try to sort to see where the issue is. Pengine inatakuwa pia inavuruta hewa in some of these fast pipes, but we're going to be sorting that out. But in the meanwhile, hit the like button, subscribe the channel kama hujasubscribe, and let's fix this car. Sawa. So guys, and we are tumemaliza kuscan gari ndio ile. And as I had suggested earlier, so Misfire iko kwa cylinder number, where is it? Cylinder number 1. Hope you can see that on number 3. So let's address that. Alafu we continue with the video. Haya. Cylinder number 1 ni ile the far end, na ya tatu ndio hii hapa ya tatu. So we are setting them out. Alafu continue. Alafu continue. Haya, ignition coil 1 na 2. They're out. Now we're extracting the plugs.
Leta ID yako tuone kama andiko kwa Wangware ndio kweli.
Steve, wagole mana
Never feel. Okay, toma chini.
Very soaked. Same as to this one. So we have an issue in the plugs. Mpaka kuna engine oil. So we're going to sort that out in a few. Alright, so now this is the air filter. Inakaa imeona maisha kidogo. It has seen life a little bit. So we're going to do the whole service. Engine na gearbox. So tumetumana vitu tunangoja zifike. Alafu we are going to deal with that immediately. So we have bought the plugs ndio hizo na ignition coil, air filter, oil filter. Now let's fix them, alafu we see what's up. Now we have new ignition coils. Watapodunga engine, so it is chonyo alafu now we have started the car. Sawa. Now there is no miss. But before the plug, the ignition coils, and that's how we make it to the end of the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment, subscribe, and we shall see in the next episode. Peace out.